Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update on Celestia. I might even call this an emergency update because yesterday, after initially rejecting 5.5, we found support at $5, which is also a level we talked about in the video, and that support was enough to eventually, in the afternoon, provide a bullish breakout for Celestia. And now what you can see is that it hit 6.5. I think that was in the video yesterday we talked about two potential price targets. The first one being 6.5 and the next one being 7.5. And in my eyes, 7.5 really is the main price target. Getting there would be amazing. It's a huge psychological resistance level. So that's my main price target. But for now, the question obviously is will Celestia get there? And we'll talk about that because the answer is not so easy. Well, of course, the answer to can it get there is yes. That's just the truth. But the more important question is, will it get there? And that's a little bit more difficult because if you take a look at this, you'll see that the open interest in the last week has been bullish, all right, and it has been increasing. There's nothing bearish about this. But then in the last 24 hours, sure, we had that bullish momentum leading to the breakout above 5.5, which now has led into this small range between 6.5 and 5.5. So yes, it was still bullish yesterday, but now it needs more bullish momentum to break above 7.5 or 6.5 and get up towards 7.5. And that's difficult because it's the open interest, the momentum and the volume has been basically consolidating since that bullish breakout yesterday. So then we have to I do have to say, I think that's most important to talk about right now. If you take a look at the market structure, it's been bullish. We have sometimes had a pullback, but the market structure never turned bearish. And now a consolidation, a range after a bullish breakout is actually a continuation pattern, usually, all right? So usually when a crypto gets an impulse wave like it did yesterday and it ranges, usually it continues. So I do expect, also because the open interest has not dropped down yet, and because what we know from other cryptos that have had similar movements, I do expect that the most likely scenario for TIA is a breakout above $6.5 and continuation up to 7.5. In short, that's what I expect. If I take a look at all of the numbers, all of the facts, all of the factors we know of, that is most likely. But personally, I am still in a trade from $3, all right? So I'm not currently actively trading it. I'm just holding that position. But personally, I think it's way smarter to look at the price like this, where you see this as a range, and you know that a range is a continuation pattern, but you also know that you should wait for bullish confirmation then. Because right now, what could also happen is that if TIA drops down towards 5.5, it's basically looking for a breakout. And I'm telling you, it's most likely that will be a bullish breakout. But it could also be, and that will be the case if TIA breaks down below 5.5, that it will just fall down. All right, so that's what I'm trying to warn you for. There seems to be some shady action behind TIA. I think it's a great project, all right? Don't get me wrong. But there does seem to be some manipulation. So it could, at any moment, just fall down. And that's why I'm telling you, it looks bullish. The market structure is bullish, but it's better to wait for that confirmation. And those are my thoughts. All right, that's everything you need to know, I think, for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. And lastly, if you're interested in the things you see at the top there, links to that will be down in the description. There you'll find out how to sign up, but also some more info in that on that if you're interested in that. All right, but for now, this is my take on Celestia. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.